for the Town of Indian Lake Chamber of Commerce.
And I'm Sue Montgomery Corey. I'm the Executive Director of the Indian Lake Theater.
And I'm George Cordes, General and Artistic Director of the Adirondack Lakes Center for the Arts. And from all of us to all of you, Happy Holidays! Plum, 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 fa la la, doodle-doodle-doo, fa la la, fa la, fa la la, fa la la, fa la la, fa la la, doodle-doodle-doo, plum, 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 fa la la, doodle-doodle-doo, fa la la, plum, fa la la, plum, fa la la, plum, fa la, plum, fa la la, fa la, plum, la, fa la la, plum, la, plum, la, plum, la, plum, la, la, plum, fa la. Fa la 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 la, fa la fa la 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 fa la 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 fa la 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 fa la 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 fa la la fa la 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 fa la fa la 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 fa la 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 fa la la fa la la fa la 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 fa la la plum fa la la plum fa la la plum la la plum.
Christmas, everyone.
following the eye, was 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 following the pack. Owls followed in their coats, with scarves of red around their throats, to keep their little heads from falling in the snow. Then I turned round, and there you go, and Michael, you would fall and turn the white snow red as strawberries in the summertime. Ooh.
1 year ago, on December 10th, 2020, the Indian Lake Theater reopened after 9 really slow, sad months of COVID. We were so pleased that so many of you came out during that first weekend and have come to visit with us ever since. We're thrilled to be able to show you movies again, and we're here only because of the love and support of a great community. And we're hoping that you'll support us again. Ticket sales are important, and concession sales are important, and popcorn is a great thing, but it doesn't pay the bills, and we really appreciate your support this holiday season. The Indian Lake Theater will be closed the last 2 weeks of December to give us a chance to celebrate the holidays with our staff. In the meantime, we look forward to seeing you on January 6th when we begin Oscar season, which is also one of the highlights of the year. We'll start the season on January 6th with West Side Story, followed by Encanto, and then The House of Gucci. And there will be more titles and movies to be announced later, but we hope that you'll join us, and we hope that you all have a peaceful and safe New Year.
Welcome everyone to our annual Elf on the Shelf meeting. Jangle, dangle, dingle, and tingle. My name is Jingle.
Hi, Jangle.
Hi, Jingle.
I would like to thank everyone for coming, as this is our one time a year that we get to talk about our trials as official Elf on the Shelf representatives. As you all know, these experiences are documented through these meetings and submitted to the NWCP, the National Elevated Elf Complaint Program. We want to take back the shelf, empower ourselves through this program, and share our stories. This disrespectful treatment of elves on shelves must stop, and we're going to put our tiny feet down and... People coming? Alright, I think we're okay. Who would like to go first?
I'll go. My name is Jangle.
Hi, Jangle.
Jangle.
You would not believe what they made me do this year. They put me on a shelf in the fridge right next to the eggnog. Yuck. Now I'm going to smell like nutmeg all year.
Ugh.
My name is Dingle.
Hi.
Dingle.
My family tied my hands and feet together and laid me across the Christmas train tracks like an old-time damsel in distress movie.
Oh, yeah. My name's Jangle.
Hi,
Jangle.
Well, my family put me on the edge of the toilet with a fishing pole to make it look like I was fishing. Then they threw in some crackers, some goldfish crackers to make it even more realistic, or so they thought. Well, then they took some pics and posted them on Facebook, and my boss is on Facebook, and I know he's seen those pictures, and I'm so embarrassed.
Ugh. Well, my name is Tingle.
Hi, Tingle.
They go,
My cousin's people put him in the dryer with Barbie. They put up a sign, going for a spin. As if he would ever ask her to go through a spin cycle with him. What is his wife going to say when she sees those photos?
Yeah, these are all awful. I mean, people...
In this life, I'm a woman. But in my next life, I'm coming back as a bear. As a bear, you get to hibernate. You do nothing but sleep for 6 months. I could deal with that.
When you're a bear, you're supposed to eat yourself stupid. I could go for that.
When you're a mama bear, you give birth to your babies who are the size of walnuts while you're asleep. And you wake up to cute, cuddly, partially grown cubs. I could deal with that.
Well, if you're a woman bear, your mate expects you to wake up growling, and he expects that you will have hairy legs and excess body fat. You're gonna be a bear! If you go into the woods today, you're sure of a big surprise. If you go into the woods today, you better go in disguise. For every bear that ever there was will gather there for certain, because the day's the day the teddy bears have their picnic. If you go down to the woods today, you better not go alone. There's lovely down in the woods today, but safer to stay at home. For everywhere that ever there was, will gather there for certain because today's the day the teddy bears have their picnic.
Although the pandemic has continued through 2021, the Town of Indian Lake Chamber of Commerce has had another successful year, once again being able to hold our flagship events like Indian Lake Poker Paddle, Adirondack Mountains Antique Show, and our wildly popular Adirondack Moose Festival. After spending 2 summers at Byron Park, we are thrilled to be on our forever home at the new Town Welcome Center, known to everybody as the Old Stewards. As we close out this year, I ask that you consider making a donation to the Indian Lake Chamber. If we have helped you out in any way this year, please head over to our website at indian-lake.com for instructions on how to donate. Thank you and have a happy holiday.
We at the Adirondack Lake Center for the Arts in Blue Mountain Lake, New York, have had a very interesting year like everyone else, but also we feel a very successful year. We were able to go back to live performance again while being safe this season in 2021. And a list of our accomplishments include our concerts by pianist Anna Celeste, Ivory and Gold, Richard Dowling, Bettman and Halpin, Barry Orick and his band, Martin and Kelly. We also had our Adirondack Lake Summer Theater Festival, including the play Bakersfield Mist, and our Great Arts Cabaret, and of course our Shakespeare in the Park. Next year we have some great things lined up again. Some of the people we've got coming in include a violin-piano duo. The Sultans of String will be returning to the Arts Center. A cello-pianist duo, Douw and Meyer, and the very famous pianist Misha Dichter and his wife Sipa will be with us. We also have Jam Crackers coming, Dan Berger and Peggy Lynn and Dan Duggan, and the Hedonists. And then, of course, we have our Adirondack Lake Summer Theater Festival with the play Southern Comforts. Our Shakespeare in the Park will be Midsummer Night's Dream, and our musical will be Some Enchanted Evening. We also plan to be bringing back our workshops in 2022, which were on hiatus in this past year, and also our lecture series. So we hope you will join us at the Arts Center in 2022, and we wish all of you a happy holidays.
Away in a manger
Bless all the dear children in thy tender care, and fit us for heaven to live with thee there. Away in a manger.
Hi, this is Darren Har once again from the Town of Indian Lake Chamber of Commerce, ready to announce winners of our Let There Be Lights Holiday Lighting and Decoration Contest. Before I announce the winners, I want to thank our contest sponsors who make it possible for us to award these generous cash prizes. Adirondack Trail Motel, Al and Christine Pouch, Ellen Van Hoff at Howard Hanna Real Estate Services, Gadway Realty, Indian Lake Community Development Corporation, J&R Eldridge Incorporated, Pines Country Store, Steet Toyota, and Stewart Shops. Now, without any further ado, here are the contest winners. For the residential category, third place for $50 goes to Claudia Cunniffe, 6350 New York Route 30, Indian Lake. Second prize for $75 residential category, Cindy and Ray Corrow, 901 Big Brook Road, Indian Lake. And the grand prize, first prize for all the marbles, $100, LANITA GEBO, 150 Jolock Road, Indian Lake. Moving on to the business category, third prize for $50, the corner store at Blue Mountain Lake. Second prize for $75, Mountain View Adventures. And first prize, $100, goes to Kim's Country Corner. And our final but not least category, the organization category, this year we have a two-way tie for first place. So both organizations will pick up $100. First prize goes to Indian Lake Central School and the Indian Lake Theater. Thank you for all of our contestants, sponsors, and judges. So let's have one big final round of applause for our contestants and winners.
Okay, great.
Great.
That'll be good. Is there anything else we wanted to? Did you want to do a little tap dance or something?
I don't know.
Santa dance?
I think a Santa dance would be good.
Yeah, maybe like a Oompa Loompa dance. Oh boy.
That was the river dance.
Okay.
They get the clods or whatever.
Santa does river dance.